so today we're going to show you how to assemble your air water syringe, your saliva ejector, and your HVE. This is our best friend as assistants. Teresa's going to kind of demonstrate, and this is something that you're going to do almost for every procedure, anytime you're going to do, whether it's a composite, extraction, no matter what it is. It might vary a little bit, but these are the basics. So we'll dive right in.
All right, so this is our air water syringe, saliva ejector, and our HVE. All right, this is our air water syringe. These are our tips. This one is plastic and disposable. We just throw them away when we're done. This one's metal and autoclavable. This is our head. This one shows it's water and air, or backwards. Air and water. This is movable. This is how we place it on. The bigger circle around the edges, you push it back. You only hook this on one way. This is where the water and air come out, and this is how you hook it in. Push this in, you'll hear a little snap. Let go of the outer circle and pull gently. You'll hear it click on. That's how you know it's on. Always pull a little bit, that way when you hit the buttons, it doesn't shoot off. Air water syringe. This one is your HVE, your high volume evacuator. This is an assistant's best buddy. There's two ends. They're both angled for suctioning. There's a little window here. That's going to go up. So you're going to place this in, push kind of hard. Make sure you're holding it in your hand and not on the unit. Take it off the unit to put it on. When you're holding it, that way you can suction in the back of the mouth, each corner, place it back on. This is your saliva ejector. All different types of saliva ejectors. They all bend, make curly Q shapes. Make sure you place it inside of the little gray thing. Push hard. Make sure it's on. You can go all the way in the mouth. When you take this off, make sure you hold this gray part and pull off. Don't just push it on and then pull off the gray part too and throw that away. You want to make sure you take the tip off and then throw that away. Those are your suctions and your air water tip.